Hi, I'm Abhishek, Microsoft Office trainer at Koenig Solution. Today I'm talking about a very great feature in Excel 2010 version, that is Sparklines. Here I have a data in sheet 1. In this data there are 4 columns: month, revenue, target, and the difference. Difference is mainly a subtraction of revenue and target. Here I want to find out the sparklines of trend by monthly improvement, or what is the exceeded point based on the difference of revenue and target. All of you are using chart. That is a very common feature in Excel 2010 or in Excel every version. If you want to give a graphical representation of this data, you just do one thing: you go select the data, go to insert, and you can click any one of the chart and you can create the chart of the data very easily. But if the requirement is something different, that is that if somebody wants that he wants to know about the graphical representation about only revenue, the graphical representation about only the target, or the graphical representation about the difference, or if I am saying that I want to know the graph of row by row, means suppose I have the data from January to December with the revenue and target, and if I want to know that every month graphical representation with chart, so these things are not possible by the chart, because in chart you have to just select the whole data and then you can create the chart on the whole one. But if you need line by line concept, so that condition we have a very brilliant option that is called Sparklines. It is the latest feature in Excel 2010 that is very useful on the behalf of business intelligence. Also we are called it BI tool. See, this is the revenue. If I want to know about the status of revenue from January to December on the base of graph, then I just select the trend and go to the Sparklines. Sparklines will come in insert, and here you have seen the group that is called Sparklines. There are 3 types of Sparklines. The first one is called the line Sparklines, second one is the column Sparklines, and third one is the win or loss Sparklines. Win or loss Sparklines is mainly used in the stock exchange type of data, or the data which has lots of negative points or positive point both. Here we are using all the 3 types of Sparklines one by one. Let's see. I just click on trend cell, that is G3. I just go to the line. When you click on line, the Sparkline window will open. The first level I have data range. Here I have to select the data, that on which data I want to create the Sparklines. My data is the revenue from January to December. I just select the data and the location range, that is G3. It's already selected. If you want some other location, you can give. After then I just click on OK button and it will give me the Sparkline. You can see this is the graphical representation of revenue for every month. If I want to know about the target of every month, I just click on by month, go to insert, click on column Sparklines, in column Sparklines you can see there's a window will open, data range. I just select the data of target from January to December, and the range location is H3, that is already selected. I just click here OK. This is my column Sparklines. Then I click on exceeded, that is the based on the difference between revenue and target. Go to insert, click on win and loss, because difference may be sometimes positive or sometimes negative also. Here I use the data range is the difference from January to December, a whole year, and the location is I3. Click here OK. This is your win and loss. When I select any one of Sparklines, you can see a tab will automatically enable, that is design. In the design you can change the Sparklines type here. From here, if you click on high point, low point, some first point or last point, it will indicate you that specific point. Or you can choose the Sparkline designs with different colors. Here the Sparkline colors, you can change the color of Sparklines, or with different level if you want to change the color, you can change the color from marker color. Sometimes if you want to change the color of highest point or lowest point or the first point or the last point, you can change the color. This is my target and this is my exceeded. You can see these exceeded points, all the 12th month of exceeded difference, all the 12th month of revenue, and this is the all the year target. After that, when you click outside of the Sparklines, that design tab will be disabled. To know more about other courses and trainings, please visit www.koenigsolutions.com. Thank you.